Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Richard and today we're on the GSX 1400. It is, what date is it today? It is the 30th of December 2025. Let me just get myself plumbed in. Hello everyone. I've got my decent shark helmet on at the moment, which isn't a flip top, so I can't really easily say hello to you, but hope everything's going well for you. Let's just turn all the heated rubbish on. Oh, on this GSX 1400. Oh, let's get everything in the right position. Oh, let's get her fired up. There we are. Let's go for a ride. Visor down. Okie dokie dokie dokie. Less is more. Isn't it amazing how the motorcycles today have all sorts of stuff on them, but is less better? I don't know, you tell me. There we are, that's switched on. Oh, get the heated jacket on. And I'm here saying less is more, and I've got a heated jacket on, heated gloves on. My goodness. So, is less better than more? That's the question. That's what we're talking about today. So as you probably know, I've been taking out the Vosges 800 DSX Rally, and it's a wonderful bike. £7,000, 7,200 on the road. Potteries Motorcycle Centre. But today I'm on the GSX 1400, which has absolutely no technology on it other than the ability to track how many miles you've done on trip A and trip B. That's about it, really. Yeah, it's got the usual things like indicators and high beam, pass and all that kind of stuff, but that's about it. It's got virtually no technology on it, like the motorbikes of today. Is less better than more? I don't know, you tell me. I mean, if I look at the Royal Enfields of today, they're a very basic bike. Admittedly, some of them have multiple riding modes. Is that right? Don't know. But this doesn't have a riding mode. It's all controlled through your hand and your brain. So, you know, is less better than more? I've got to admit that Vosges that I've been taking out, and still have actually, is absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And that's got the heated seats, it's got heated grips, it's got 2 riding modes, it's got the Wi-Fi from your mobile phone and all that kind of thing. It's absolutely fantastic. But the beauty about when I ride this bike, the Suzuki GSX 1400, it's back to basics. It really is back to basics, and there are no distractions. Absolutely none. I do find that when riding this bike, it's all about the ride rather than looking at the screens all the time and understanding what the bike's telling you. And that's why I enjoy riding this bike. It's non-distracting, if you know what I mean. It's just a wonderful ride. There we are. VW ID Buzz in front of us. That cost... How much do they cost? 60, 70 grand? That's a lot of money for a van. A lot of money for a van. But anyway, that's another subject. But yeah, this is I've been riding this today, and it's been absolutely lovely to ride. It's been great, and I often wonder if less of a technology is better for us. I mean, if you had two options, you know, if you had I don't know, if you saw a bike that was for £10,000 and it had got all the technology on it, and there was a price offer for having the same bike with the technology removed and back to basics, yeah, exactly the same engine, exactly the same power, but it was substantially less money, because you do pay a lot of money for this technology. So, you know, would you go for the simple bike from a technology perspective, or would you continue down the road of having all that technology that once it's all set up, you never really change it? I don't know. Do you know all the technology on your bike regarding the suspension and the ABS and when it kicks in and the traction control? Are you constantly changing it based on your riding conditions? You tell me. I tend not to, and I might be the odd one out, and I'm happy to be the odd one out, but I tend to set the bike up, and that's the end of the subject. I don't touch the technology again. I just get on the bike and ride it. I'm happy to be the odd one out. Happy to be the odd one out. That said, when I'm talking less is more, here am I with two cameras on the bike, and I could just be using one, the front facing one. But this is, you know, when you come back to basics with this GSX 1400, it's just great fun. And what you do is you focus on the road. You're not constantly looking at monitors that you've got showing you all the information that you've got. And I just enjoy the ride. Yeah. It's just, you know, it's just a great experience of a ride, rather than looking at navigation and all that kind of thing. We're going back to basics. We're just riding around on the streets that we know and just enjoying it. We don't need to, you know, navigate out 100 miles. Just go for a spin in your local vicinity of what the roads that you know, and have a good time. What do you think? I'm going to soon be coming into my hometown, Eccleshall. Tell me what your thoughts are. You tell me. Hope you enjoyed the little chat. Is less better than more? Are we going a bit crazy with all the technology that we've got? Do we really need it? You tell me. I certainly don't need 120 horsepower like this bike kicks out. I'll never ever take advantage of 120 horsepower. But I suppose it's nice to know that it's there. I suppose. Hope you enjoyed the little chat. Is less is more? Is that right? You tell me. See you very soon. Thank you for watching. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll take it from there. That's it. Don't wait for me. Ride safely. I'll see you soon as I follow this ID Buzz. There we go. Have a good one. Oh, there's nothing like a straight 4 between your legs. The smoothness of a 4. Unbelievable. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.